Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back. Did you know that the average car detailing vacuum only removes about 30% of deeply embedded dirt and debris hiding inside your car carpets? That means if you're using the wrong vacuum right now, your car could still be 70% dirty. Yeah, that coffee dust under your seats? Still there. That pet hair buried inside your floor mats? Still there. That mysterious crumbs and sand mixture living in your cup holder? Absolutely still there. And here's where things get crazy. Modern portable vacuums aren't just vacuums anymore. These tiny gadgets now vacuum dirt, blow dust out of vents, inflate tires, compress storage bags, clean keyboards, and some even hit insane suction numbers that rival full-size detailing tools. So today, we're breaking down the top 6 best portable car detailing vacuums you can grab right now on Amazon. We're comparing suction power, battery life, portability, versatility, real-world detailing performance. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one deserves a permanent spot in your trunk. Let's jump in. Number 6. OXILAM 4-in-1 Car Vacuum, the budget multitasker. Kicking off our list is the OXILAM 4-in-1 Car Vacuum, and this is easily one of the best starter options for casual users. Why? Because it does way more than just vacuum. You get vacuum mode, blower mode, inflator mode, air extraction mode. That means it can clean your seats, blow dust out of AC vents, inflate pool toys, and even compress vacuum storage bags. That's impressive for a budget-friendly unit. Its 14,000 Pascal suction power won't dominate deeply embedded debris like higher-ranked models, but it's more than enough for everyday messes like crumbs, dust, pet hair, and snack disasters. It also weighs only about 1 pound, making it extremely easy to maneuver into tight spaces like seat rails, cup holders, center consoles, dashboard gaps. Battery life is decent too. 30 minutes on Eco mode, 20 minutes on Max mode. Its biggest weakness? The dustbin is tiny. At only 160 milliliters, you'll empty it often during full interior cleanups. Still, for casual drivers wanting versatility without spending big money, this is a great entry-level pick. Number 5. 24,000 Pascal Portable Mini Cordless Vacuum, the hidden power monster. This one is where things start getting serious. The 24,000 Pascal Portable Mini Cordless Vacuum delivers a massive jump in raw suction over the OXILAM. And trust me, you'll feel that difference immediately. This vacuum offers 3 power levels: 8,000 pascals, 16,000 pascals, 24,000 pascals. That flexibility makes it incredibly useful. Low mode handles dust. Mid mode handles general cleaning. Max mode attacks deep carpet debris. And compared to the OXILAM, this thing absolutely destroys embedded sand and stubborn pet hair. It also includes blower mode, inflator mode, vacuum mode, air extraction mode. So you're still getting strong versatility. USB-C charging is another nice touch. The downside? Its runtime drops quickly on Max mode. That powerful suction burns battery fast. And just like OXILAM, the dust cup remains relatively small. Still, if raw suction matters more than battery endurance, this is a major upgrade. Number 4. Fanttik Slim V8 Apex, the premium precision tool. The Fanttik Slim V8 Apex feels like the Apple product of portable vacuums. Everything about it feels refined. It weighs only 1.1 pounds, making it incredibly comfortable during long cleaning sessions. Its brushless motor spins at 80,000 revolutions per minute, producing up to 19,000 pascals of suction. That places it right between the entry-level units and the heavy hitters. And its biggest strength? Precision detailing. This thing is fantastic for vents, dashboards, keyboards, center consoles, hard-to-reach corners. Its 4-in-1 functionality includes vacuuming, blowing, inflating, pumping, and the charging speed is excellent. It fully recharges in just 2.5 hours. The major drawback? Its dustbin is extremely small. At only 120 milliliters, you'll be emptying it constantly during large jobs. But for premium portability and detailing precision, this thing is excellent. Number 3. 18,000 Pascals Cordless Car Vacuum, the Battery King. This vacuum wins one category easily: battery life. Its massive 7,800 mAh battery absolutely dominates this list. That means longer cleaning sessions without interruptions. And if you're detailing an SUV, truck, or heavily neglected car interior, that matters a lot. Its 18,000 Pascal suction is still very strong. Not as powerful as our top two, but more than enough for dirt, pet hair, sand crumbs, carpet debris. Unlike many competitors, this one focuses primarily on vacuuming and blowing. It skips some extra features like inflating, but that trade-off helps deliver much better battery endurance. Compared to the Fanttik, you lose premium design, but you gain significantly longer runtime. And for full car cleanups, that's a huge win. Number 2. 40,000 Pascal Handheld Car Vacuum, the raw power beast. This thing is ridiculous. The 40,000 Pascal Handheld Car Vacuum is built for people who want maximum suction power. And yes, 40,000 Pascal sounds insane. Realistically, peak numbers can be marketing heavy, but this vacuum is still undeniably powerful. It crushes deep carpet dirt, embedded sand, heavy debris, pet hair, stubborn particles. This is the closest thing on this list to professional detailing equipment, and somehow it still offers blower mode, inflator mode, vacuum mode, air extraction mode. That versatility is wild considering how powerful it is. The trade-off? Battery life. Running max suction drains power quickly, and it's slightly bulkier than smaller options like Fanttik, but if cleaning performance matters most, this thing is a monster. Number 1. Hedgehog TurboVAC 3-in-1. Best overall for most people. Now before you say, wait, how is this not number 2? Here's why. The Hedgehog TurboVAC 3-in-1 wins because it solves the biggest problem most people have: actually using their vacuum consistently. The ultra-powerful 40,000 Pascal model is amazing, but many people won't regularly carry it around. The Hedgehog is lightweight, compact, simple, and practical, and that matters. It offers 14,000 Pascal suction, blower mode, inflator mode. It weighs under 1 pound. It charges quickly via USB-C. It's extremely easy to store inside glove boxes, trunks, center compartments. And because it's so convenient, you'll actually use it regularly. That makes it the best real-world option for most drivers. For daily maintenance cleaning, it nails the balance perfectly. Final verdict: if you want maximum power, 40,000 Pascal's Handheld Car Vacuum. If you want longest battery life, 18,000 Pascal's Cordless Car Vacuum. If you want premium design, Fanttik Slim V8 Apex. If you want budget versatility, OXILAM 4-in-1 Car Vacuum. If you want the best overall daily use vacuum, Hedgehog TurboVAC 3-in-1. So what are you picking? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And if this video helped you find the perfect detailing tool, hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and check the description for all product links. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.